Hello. Right, so this is the Tesla kit that I got from AliExpress. So I'm going to make it up just now. Let's see all the little bits out and stuff. There's a lot of teeny tiny bits, so hopefully I haven't lost them. So, it doesn't come with instructions or anything either, so how hard can it be, yeah? So I've got the PCB. Quick clean. Some IPA, my spray ball. So there's not really much to it. It's quite well marked, so that should be okay. So we'll start trying to make this. Do I need my little stand, do you think? Or should I do it with a little tin? I think I might do it with a little. As I'm sure you were all screaming at me, you were going to tell me that the longer leg on the LED is the positive. And there we go. So I'll quickly solder. Right, and then now, how do we connect the coil? So the coil just it's just a wrap coil. So there's two bits of coil. I wonder which way around, which one goes where, do you think? So where would it go? So I assume T there. See in the center of it? So do we put one into there and then one onto that wee pad that's open, do you think? Oh, I'm afraid to say I'm going to have to do some more Googling for that. I shall get back to you again and I can solder it all together. Right, Xiao. So the bulb that comes with it is just for testing it. This is exciting. So all I can find is that this doesn't go to anything, so it's just you just have power going to the coil via the T point there. So it's a very fine bit of copper there. Right. I did see somebody saying they wish it came a bit of glue to glue this down. So there's none that holds this coil in place. So we'll have to see what we can do with that. Maybe just a bit of tape or something. Oh, man, not having good luck with this one, am I? I would not recommend these metal twigs to anyone. Right. Soldering iron back online. A bit of flat, a bit of soldering. This is just your LED. Hard word, you just melt straight through that coil. Right, let's have a look. So what I'm going to do is I will find a little power supply and I will probably just a blob of hot glue is all I'm going to put onto that, and then we'll see how it works. Right, forgive me for the mess and the wee break there, but I was getting very annoyed at the mess I've made and trying to get things done. So, right, I've got this 12-volt power supply that I use for my used to use for my extract fan. 12-volt, 1 amp, 12 watts. I would suggest that's too much and do so at your own risk. So, turned it on, and lo and behold, it worked straight away. I was very impressed. Hope you can see it okay. I don't want to touch it yet because I don't know. So this is just the filament light bulb that came out and I didn't know what it was for. And just has, isn't that cool? So, oh, yeah. So I must trip it, or is it, do you think that's just pulling out too much power for the LED? Isn't that kind of cool? There should be a wee arc coming from that as well. I was wondering if I had my volt. Oh, that's not good for my multimeter, I would say. Let's go find something else I could poke at it with. Got this little bit of metal. See that? Can I bring it up a bit closer to the camera? Look at that. You see it just arcing a bit there. So yeah, turns out to have worked. I don't know how safe any of this is, mind the way. It's only 12 volts and 12 amps, but the heatsink is already quite hot. Oh, that'll burn you already, so play about with it, make it, but be careful, I would suggest. So let's see, show it. Well, thanks very much. I hope you like that. I was surprised it actually worked. Just make sure with the copper, I had to use my lighter to melt it because the soldering iron doesn't get hot enough to take the plastic coating off of that. And that's what was driving me mental. It's the exact same problem I had in my other thing I did. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.